possible, so it goes down.
Is that the flatliner?
Info matters. Chase what matters.
Nothing at Fenway Park. We've talked a lot about this quick turnaround by the Tampa Bay Rays. Nothing quite as exciting as a worst to first season. That's what the Rays are enjoying here in 2008.
First 10 seasons they combined for a 645 and 972 record. They spent only 20 days in first place.
Yeah. Well, I love.
Joe Madden and his staff
Most of it.
trying to put the hammer down tonight in the 7th inning.
I feel it traveling through my
Champagne is on ice, we understand, in the Rays locker room. That's what radio reports we heard before the game.
It's pretty crucial.
At Fenway Park tonight, as Jonathan Papelbon is on in his 7th inning. Trying somehow, some way to get out of this are the Red Sox and see if their offense can muster something for the final 9 outs they still have left.
Well, this is a place right now where you can't allow Tampa Bay to score anymore. So good play by Terry Francona to bring in Papelbon. I remember saying to myself before the game, the key for the Red Sox is Papelbon appears in this game. I misspoke because getting fouled like this, he's had to appear here.
It kind of sticks with you, doesn't it?
All you can do is just go with your best option, and this is without question Terry Francona's best option right now. 5 runs, obviously, when this Red Sox team is playing their regular offensive game. That can disappear in a heartbeat.